Set up your Apple ID easily on a computer. Open any browser on your computer and go to account.apple.com. Look at the top and click on Create Your Apple Account. This will open the registration page. Fill in all the information carefully, including your name, country, date of birth, and email address. Make sure you use a valid email as it will be your Apple ID. Now enter a strong password and confirm the same again. Then enter your mobile number. Choose a verification method between text message and phone call. Next, enter the characters in the box and click on Continue. Enter the verification code Apple sent to your email and click on Continue. Then you will get another code on your phone. Enter that code as well. Finally, click on Continue. Your Apple ID is now created successfully, and that's it. Subscribe for more tech videos.